The CDC issuing a bird flu infection health alert after a dairy farm worker tests positive. Cattle herds in several different states, as well as wild birds, are being infected by this. Elizabeth Pran joins us now with more. Elizabeth, how big of a threat is this virus on humans? I know the CDC says the risk is pretty low.
Well, that's what we're hearing, because that's the underlying question, right, is what is the risk to human? We're mammals, and cattle have been impacted. Right now, officials say that the potential risk is pretty low. We're seeing farm workers most at risk. They're coming in contact with potentially infected animals. That was the most recent case that we saw out of Texas, a dairy farm worker. This is the second ever known case, and what it looked like in that person was conjunctivitis, which is pink eye. But officials are saying person-to-person spread is fairly unlikely. It's fairly rare. We did speak with a former CDC outbreak investigator, and that person is concerned that the virus could certainly mutate and become more contagious.
The very legitimate concern is that other strains of this virus that we've seen in the past actually had people with very severe illness, including deaths. And this is why I believe that the avian influenza outbreak and the infections in cattle now for the first time is a wake-up call for us as a nation of what we need to do to be better prepared for the next pandemic.
And perhaps a wake-up call because it's not isolated. Look at cattle herds in Texas, Kansas, Michigan, New Mexico, and Idaho. They do have confirmed bird flu cases. The largest producer of eggs in the U.S. stopped production at a Texas plant because they detected the bird flu. That's Cal-Maine Foods. They said that they had to euthanize or depopulate just about 1.6 million hens so far. So you really might start to see a rise in egg prices. On average, right now, you pay about $2.99 a dozen. 6 months ago, it was $2. Now, chickens raised for their meat, we haven't really seen them impacted quite yet. That's something that we're watching. We're also watching the dairy industry. They seem to be in a better position. There have been fewer cattle deaths. Most animals are recovering when they get treatment, when they start to be symptomatic. The USDA says milk from sick cows cannot be sold. And right now, we see milk prices really quite stable. Cows raised for their beef, they have not been testing positive so far. Now, a couple tips here. Remember, when you are buying milk, Markie, that's pasteurized. That's something to keep in mind. When you cook your eggs, maybe make sure they're not runny. You know, scramble them, cook them thoroughly. Right now, maybe avoid raw milk and raw cheeses as we just sort of get through this outbreak. Markie, back to you.
Yeah, really good reminders as we're all opening the fridge this morning, reaching for those breakfast foods. Elizabeth, thank you.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.